Hi, this is Rick with I-80 Forklift. Today we're showing you the Genie GS-1930. It has 19 feet of platform height. It has 25 feet of work height. It also has easy access to get to your batteries for the mechanics to be able to repair or service very easily. We also have level beacons so they don't get knocked off. A single operator joystick, both your steering, your function, your up, your down, and of course your emergency stop. Easy access to operator manuals. In the back we have your safety lock for your scissor arms. Whenever you're maintaining the vehicle, you can put this down. We also have emergency lowering mechanism right here with easy access. Over on this side we have the fault code module where we could read any problems that the machine might be having with the easy access panel. This side also is equipped with the easy access for maintaining their hydraulic system. And then of course, standard, you have the 36-inch platform extension. So if you would like to know more about this piece of equipment, you could call us at 707-451-5100 or at i80forklift.com. Thank you.